Hi, first graders. This is Miss Brown. So today for social studies, our objective says, I can think of something I would like to save my money for to buy in the future. So think about that for a second. What's something that you would be willing to save your money for so that you can buy in the future? It can be anything, or it could be an experience. So it could be like going somewhere or traveling. That would also work. So, let's read a book about saving money. And what exactly is saving money? Saving Money by Nadia Higgins. Here's our table of contents. So we have Save It, Savings Jar, Picture Glossary, Index, and To Learn More. Save It. Tim has money. Oops. What will he buy with it? He will save it. Tim has a goal. He wants to buy a pet fish, but he does not have enough money. Not yet. He will keep saving. How does Tim earn money? He does chores. He gets an allowance. Tim makes a savings jar. He draws a picture of a fish to put by it. He puts his money in the jar. He will not take it out until he has saved enough. He checks off a week on his chart. After 5 weeks, he will have enough. Oops. Finally, Tim has enough money saved. He buys a fish. He names it Goldie. Saving is fun. It helps us buy the things we want. What will you save for? Now let's watch a video about saving money for kids.
Animal.com. Today we're going to talk about financial literacy for kids. Did you have a good birthday party, James? Yes, and look, I got £100. Wow, that's a lot of money. I know, I'm going to buy lots of toys. But you just got lots of new toys for your birthday. I know, but I really want to spend my money. Why don't you save it? But what will I save it for? Well, anything. Holidays, new video games, or even to buy me a present for my birthday. But sure, I can just ask Mom to buy me those things. Well, you could, but sometimes your mom or dad or other family members can't afford to buy all the things you want. What does afford mean? Well, being able to afford something means you have enough money to buy it. It's all about income and expenses. Let me explain. Okay, I'm listening. Let's start with income. This is money which comes in through wages. You know, the money people get paid for doing work. Yes, like on payday. Exactly. Sometimes people get income from the government too, if they can't work or are looking for a new job. You can also get an income from a pension if you are retired. Wow, that's a lot of different types of income. Now on to expenses. This is the money that goes out and that people spend on things that they need and want. For example, bills like mortgage or rent for the house you live in, gas or electricity for things like eating and watching TV, food and clothes, phone and TV, insurance and petrol. That's a lot of money going out. Would milk money be an expense? Yes, of course. Now you're getting it. So what does that all have to do with being able to afford stuff? You can only afford something if you have the money left over after you pay all of your expenses out of your income. Now I get it. So if you have no money left after you pay your expenses, then you can't afford to buy something extra that you want. Correct. That's why it's so important to save. I still don't get it. Well, put it this way. Sometimes you have unexpected expenses, like your car breaks down and you need to pay to have it fixed. If you don't have money left over or saved, then you can't afford to have it fixed. It's the same when Mum says she can afford to buy you a video game. But if you have savings, then you will always have some money for unexpected expenses or for buying an extra treat or gift. So you mean if I save my money, then I really want to buy something, or I need something that Mum can't afford, I can buy it myself. Yes, and you have to remember that Mum and Dad are saving too, for when something extra needs to be bought, like holidays or birthday presents. Oh yes, speaking of birthday presents, I have lots to play with. Woohoo! Oh, but Aaron, how should I save this money? Well, that's a question for another day. Why don't you put it somewhere safe for now? Piggy bank? Good idea. Now for some of that yummy chocolate cake. Don't forget to save some for me. Get it, Save? Very funny, James. I hope you enjoyed learning all about money today. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And visit us at www.learningmo.com.